Hello YouTube, anyways, today's video is going to be a DIY graduation gift idea. So what you're going to need is this jar is from Dollar General, this little hat thing I already hot glued on top. You're going to need that, and you're just going to hot glue it on top of it where you want it. And then you're going to need some flowers from the Dollar Tree, whatever colors you want. Then just whatever you want to fill the jar with. So since I already glued the jar thing on top of it. So now we're going to take these flowers of different colors, and then we're going to take them off from the Dollar Tree, and then we're going to hot glue these on the lid. Put some hot glue, and then hot glue on the lid. And then we're going to take a purple one, we're going to alternate the flowers. And we're going to hot glue this on the lid as well. And do that all the way around the lid. Sorry, I didn't film. I don't think I filmed me putting the little hat on the lid, so sorry about that. And then I'm just going to alternate them throughout. It's okay, I need to get another hot glue stick. And that just fell. Hopefully this is still good footage. It might not be. Sorry if it's not. So we're gonna add some more hot glue. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Be careful with the hot glue. Okay. Do that all the way around the jar. Purple. I'm sorry about that, so let's continue the video now. And we're gonna add this one. I'm trying not to get the tassel over here. And we have another purple one to add. And we have one more purple to add. Anyways, I went ahead and finished gluing the rest of the flowers on the video. So this is kind of what it looks like so far. So you can kind of move them if you want to hot glue them down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do that maybe just to kind of keep it so you can see the grad part maybe. Be careful with the hot glue that you don't burn yourself. Be super careful with that. Okay, so then you can kind of see the grad part once I move it. So that's what that looks like, and it looks really cute. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the gift part once that dries for a little bit. So I'm going to make sure if you made it this far into the video, give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe to this channel. Hello YouTube. Okay, so once you got the little thing on and all the flowers glued, you're going to go ahead and unscrew the lid, or you can do that after you put everything in. So it's whatever you're going to do. Then you're going to go ahead and unscrew the lid, and I'm going to put these socks in here. These are from Dollar General, if you wanted to know. I'm just going to roll them up, and then I'm going to put this little makeup remover towel in it. This is from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put this satin pillowcase in it, which is also from the Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to put this little thing, those little bags from Build-A-Bear, and then some Band-Aids that I think are from the Dollar Tree, or you can get some Band-Aids from the Dollar Tree. I don't know exactly what these are. Actually, I think these are from Schnucks. These Band-Aids are from Schnucks. The JoJo, see what ones are from Schnucks. And then I'm going to put these in there. And then we have this reusable straw, which is also from the Dollar Tree. And then you can and then we have some soap from the Dollar Tree, which we're going to put in there as well. And then we have this little hairbrush, which is from Amazon. I'll try to link this down below. And then we have this little envelope. The envelopes are from the Dollar Tree. You get like 80 pack. I put open when your hands get cold. And these are little hot hands from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put these in here. And the little graduation stickers are from the Dollar General. Hopefully I got everything right where it's from. I might have got some stuff wrong. And I'm going to tape that and put that in there. And you can also include a card in there. You can do that. And then I'm just going to put this on. and screw that back on. And you can also arrange how you want the stuff in there. And then that's what it looks like. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like gift ideas for pretty much any occasion. See y'all. Thanks for watching. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day.